Hi, hello traders. Welcome back to JJP Trading Academy. After a long gap, our team came up with a new technical indicator which is going to be launched right now. I am going to discuss full details about this indicator. So I wish every traders to watch this video till the end. Sure, this indicator will be helping you in live market more and more. So actually, if you are trading with them manually, so this strategical indicator will be helping you in many aspects of the market. So you can easily analyze the market based on the particular setup of the market. So based on this indicator, you will be knowing where to trade and when to enter the trade perfectly, how to make the position trial and how to exit the position with the target. Also every details we will be discussing in this video, and perfect stop loss is also defined for this particular strategy. So this is a strategical indicator. So just by applying this indicator, you can easily analyze the chart directly, and you can directly get access through us in WhatsApp. You can WhatsApp us on 7200555670. So in this number, every time our technical team as well as support team will be helping you to include the indicator in Tradingview. And before moving on to the further concepts, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell button. Then only you will be receiving the upcoming video updates of our YouTube channel. And I wish every traders to watch the previous videos also, in which we have discussed about many strategical setup for automation as well as manual trading. So once you get access with our indicator, just go click on the indicators button and click on invite only script. Here you will be getting our indicator in your invite only script. So particularly for your account, we will be giving the access. So to get access, previously you should give your Tradingview profile ID. So you will be having a unique Tradingview profile ID once you sign up with Tradingview. So this profile ID only, through this only we will be giving the access. So once after getting the access, just click on indicators, go to invite only script and include the indicator. So now I have included the indicator on chart. So I will be showing up the indicator right now. The name of the indicator is static zone with Fibo range. So now you can include the indicator. So you can see the indicator right now. So this indicator will be consisting of many levels included with it. So I will be showing step by step what are all the zones as well as levels included with this indicator. So as a basic, I am just going to enable with the settings of this indicator. I am just enabling only the static zones of this indicator. So these static zones are the main and most beautiful zones which is available right now in your chart. So this you can apply on index chart or any other stock chart also you can apply. Just see the volatility of the particular stock or any other script you are using. See, just the candle should be good. So that is the best mode to apply this indicator. So the candle's volume should be good and it should not be lagging. The candle should be consistently available so that you can know that the stock is trading good and the stock has the good volume of traders. As well as now in Bank Nifty index also, the volume of traders are very good, so that only we are applying right now in Bank Nifty index. So in Bank Nifty index, I have chosen 5 minutes time frame right now and enabled this static zones. So once you open the market, now for example, I have taken today's final day market. So this is 15th March 2024 right now. So this day you can see the market has been started here. So once the candle close, our level static zones will be available. So these static zones will not be changing in the live market. It will be static till the market end. So these zones will be more and more helpful for every trader. So once the market started here, so we should see whether the static zones is above the candles or below the candles. Now in this situation, the static zones are above the candles. So once the market started, we need to be more patient and wait for the rejection candles inside this static zones. You can also create the alert for the static zone rejections. Otherwise, our alert settings will be helpful for you to note whenever the candle touches to the static zones, it will be alerting you. So in each and every script, you can go and click on the alerts here itself. So just going on to the indicator and clicking on this more button, I am adding an alert. So in this I am just noting up 0% or 100%. So this is nothing but where you should this is the above level is considered as the 0% and the below level is considered as the 100%. So I am just noting out at which point of at which time the alert should be triggering. So you should give 0% or 100%. So I am just clicking on 100%. So once the candle crosses with this and confirmed that it is crossed that particular level, that is 100%, then this alert will be triggering for the each and every script, whatever the script in which you are applying this alert. So in this also you can give the condition that once per candle close, that means bar close means after the candle close only the alert will be triggered, or only once at the time of trigger. So at the time the candle is passing out, it will be making the alert. So like this you can also variate the alerts, and now you will be knowing at which script the alerts will be coming. So this is also very useful for you in live market. You should not you no need to watch the market till then. So every time we could not be more alert, and until the candle crosses we are going to take the alert. So the main basic condition to make the entry is you should wait for the candles to be get rejected back, because the candle is started here. So this will be acting up as a best resistance zone right now, because the candle is started here. So now this zones will be active until it will be a best resistance zone, and now we are waiting for a best rejection candle. Now we got a good rejection candle, and after that we should point the low of the particular candle and wait for the candle to cross that particular low. So now in the next candle you should wait patiently to trigger till the low of the particular candle. So if the low of the particular candle reached, at that point of time only we are going to make the entry. Okay, so this is the way where we can avoid many fake moves. So once the rejection candle happens, particularly we should not make the market order, wait till the market to come to the low of the particular candle. That is the best way to enter for this particular trade setup. So once you make the entry, we will be knowing that the entry is perfect. And now I am just going to enable another level, that is Fibo levels. So Fibo levels basically we will be plotting for a certain range. So here in our indicator we plotted the Fibo range for the particular static zones. So 0% zone, this is considered as 0% and this is considered as 100%. So now for this only we have plotted the main Fibo ranges, that is Fibo levels we have plotted. So now once we get the rejection candle, we will be placing the order in the low of the particular candle. So once the candle reach the low of the particular candle, we are going to go for a sell entry. So in this type of situation, we should place the stop loss above the static zone. Otherwise the previous candle is also given a small wick, right? So we will be considering it as a stop loss. So almost 0.19%. So for a basic target we will be fixing 1:2 risk reward ratio here. So 1:2 risk reward ratio has been reached here. So this is the basic target. Now you can see our Fibo levels. So Fibo levels final level is there, and now if you see the settings of the indicator also, we have not enabled the bullish range. So it is right now in a bearish range. That means we are in a sell entry. So bearish range is the target for this entry. That is the target with bearish range. If you want to see the final return point of the market, then you should enable this bullish range button. So it will be showing you the opposite side levels, but this level is considered as the final return point of this particular entry. I hope you understand. Watch this video, again rewind the video and see again, because now you should understand the final return point, because this final return point will be considered as the market return point sometimes. If the market is going to be return back and pull back again to the static zone, then this level will be helpful for you, because this is the most important level at which the market will again return back to the static zone. If you don't want to make this type of targets to be more, you can also trial your position with another indicator. For example, for this only our technical team has designed this live trade trailing indicator. You can see the inputs of this indicator. It's giving you 0.15% trailing as a basic. So this is just for manual analysis only. This is not a backtest type of tool. This is just for manual analysis where our trailing is there right now. You can easily understand where the trailing is right now. For default, we have given 0.15 for Bank Nifty. For each and every script, you can modify the trailing and increase it as per the volatility of the particular stock or particular script. So basically, for small trailing we have given 0.15, and for right now we are going to take short entry, right? So I am going for short trade mode, and for example, if we are taking the entry after this candle, that means 925 candle only we are taking the entry, right? So we should fix, instead of 915 we should fix 25 to 30, the candle range. That means this candle is traded between 925 to 30, so I am giving this candle range. So once the candle end, our entry will be taken here. So this is just for analysis. We are going to take the entry only in the low of the candle, but now the signal is coming in the starting of the candle, but you should not take the entry. You should take the entry in the low of the candle. This indicator is just for use of trailing only. So now you will be knowing where our trailing is there for 0.15. So you can trail the position if you are having a good trailing. If you are a trailing based trader, you can trail the position till the market flow. So if the market is giving a good trend also, you can capture the trend day by day. If you do this setup as a trailing also, you will be making a good consistent profit in month end. So that only if you are a trailing based trader, enable this indicator and check whether your trailing is hitted or not. Once the candle is closing above, then exit the position. That is the use of this indicator right now. That's it, traders. We will be giving these two setups. So through this only we are going to make the entries. And the main golden rules of this indicator is you should enter only between the market start of 9:15 to 11 o'clock. Most probably exit your position. That means make the entries before 11 o'clock. Because 11 o'clock, after 11 o'clock, the volatility of the market will be more different. So most probably try to make analysis and take the entry before 11 o'clock. This is main golden rule. As well as you should only make the entries in certain scripts. That means the scripts which should be having a good volatility and consistent candles without any break of candles. So now we know that we should take the bearish entry here because the candle has been rejected back from the level. And if you are getting any candles breaking this level, that is the breakout of this level, is considered as a bullish entry. So in this type of situation, for example, if the candle is breaking here above, so let us consider a candle here. So if any candle breaking, like if any green candle, okay, so for example, if this here, okay, so if any green candle breaking out here, then we are going to make the buy entry here in this point, that is the high of the particular candle. So in this type of situation, we are in a bullish range, right? So bullish range, the first target, that is as per the bullish range. If you enable the bullish range, you will be having a certain target, right? So this is what the target for bullish range. But if you want to know the exact return point of the market, that is the final return point, then you should disable this bullish range. Then you will be knowing the final return point of the market. So this will be more helpful. Even if the target is reached also, you will be knowing and analyzing where the market is going to be cut off and where the market is going to return back. If the market is not even rejecting back in this level, that is the final level, if the market is not rejecting back, we can expect that the market is in a full bullish move, that is the trendy day for you. So if the market is not even rejecting back even in this level also, then we should consider that day will be a good trendy day. If it is breaking out perfectly in this final level, then we should consider that day will be a super trendy day. So you will be easily analyzing the full overview of the market, whether the market is in a consolidated mode or whether the market is going in a big sideways move. You can easily analyze with this indicator. And now I am just going to explain another level, that is important levels. This important level is the previous day static zone level, so that will be acting as today level. So you can also enable this in live market only. You can see this important level. So this important level in live market, if you are seeing this important level here, for example today, if the breakout happened for this level, that is static zone, if this breakout, then we are going to expect the target here, right? But before going on to this target here, we should consider the important level also. If the important level is above, now before reaching the target itself, our important level will be plotted here, because the previous day's zone will be acting as an important level. So if the important level is previously between this target, then you should consider this as a target, because here also there might be a good rejections. So please consider this important levels also while trading. You just see, while entering into the buy side entry, you should see whether the important levels is inside the final target. If you are if you are seeing this important levels, then at that point itself you should cut off your position, and we could not expect the target to meet this level. Okay, so these are the more important levels I have explained. So let us see some examples with other stocks as well as other scripts. So now I have opened Tata Steel with 5 minutes time frame and included our indicator. So now you can make the analysis as a basic rule only. So as per our basic rule, you can see the first candle is started above the static zone levels. So the first candle is above. So we should wait for the rejections back from our level. So now you can see in the same candle itself, the rejection has been happened in the same first candle itself. So you can easily understand how the market has been reacted for this. So you can see the next to next candles. In this candle itself, our target has been reached. So this target is bullish target. So I am just making it to disable. So now you can see the perfect exact return point. We know that this is the exact return point of the market. So perfectly the market has been given the reject back. So certain points before itself the market has been reject back, because the bullish range level was, final level was here. So most probably exactly the market has been returned back, and again now it has been reached our static zone level. This is how you can make a easy analysis that once the market is reaching the final level, then again there will be attraction towards the static zone. And now you can see again market has been breakdown for the from the static zone, and now we are making the entry. Almost it's near to our stop loss, but if you kept the stop loss above this candle for a sell entry, then it's good. And now you can see the target has been met for our bearish level. This is the main first target, but if you are waiting for the exact return point, enable this bullish range, then now you can see the exact return point here. So almost some few points before itself the market has been rejected back, and now again the market came back here. And now you can see after 11 o'clock itself, after 11 o'clock, this is the 11 o'clock candle. So most probably we will not be taking the trade after 11 o'clock. So that is a good way of trading with this setup, because sometimes the market will be giving you a sideways moves. So like this, so to avoid this only, I am saying that you should not trade after 11 o'clock. That's it, traders. I have explained all the details about our indicator, that is static zone with Fibo range, as well as a live trailing. So every details I have discussed in this video. If you want to know more details, and if you are having any doubts rather than this, you can also comment it below in this video. We will be texting you what are all the doubts you are having. We will be try to clarify it. If you want to get access with this indicator, WhatsApp us right now on 7200556708. Our support team will be helping you to install this indicator, and you can directly use it in Tradingview platform. So it will be more useful for you. If you are a manual trader, no need to have any other help of others. You can directly make the analysis as per the rules which we discussed in this video. You can make perfect analysis and make a clear-cut entry exit with stop loss as well as target and trailing. So everything we discussed till now. And if you have not subscribed to our channel till now, click on the subscribe button and click on the bell button. Then only you will be receiving the upcoming video updates of our channel. Thank you, traders.